Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about division of rational numbers of chapter 1, rational numbers. So division of rational numbers. If a by b and c by d, if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, so a by b divided by c by d equal to a by b, डिवाइड का साइन हटाने पे c बाई d का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स और रेसिप्रोकल यूज कर देते हैं. c बाई d, द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ c बाई d इक्वल टू d बाई a इनटू c बाई d चेंज इनटू d बाई a. When divide change into multiply, then c by d change into d by a. जब डिवाइड के साइन को मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज करते हैं तो c बाई d का रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है. तो a बाई b इंटू d बाई c इक्वल टू, अब मल्टीप्लाई का जो रूल है, न्यूमरेटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय डिनोमिनेटर. सो a इंटू d by b into c equal to ad by bc. सब इन जाओ properties 1. If a by b divided by a by b equal to 1, 2, a by b divided by 1 equal to a by b. 3, a by b divided by minus 1. So plus divided by minus equal to minus a by b divided by 1. So minus a by b. 4, a by b divided by 0, that means meaningless. And 5, 0 divided by a by b equal to 0. Example 1, 4 by 5 divided by 50 by 8. So equal to 4 by 5 divide change into multiply. So 15 by 8 change into 4 by 5 divided by 8 into 50. So 8 by 15 change into 15 by 8. Now cancel it. 5 3 ja 15 and 4 2 ja 8 equal to 3 by 2 answer. Next example 2 is 6 by 11 divided by 18 by minus 22 equal to minus 6 by 11 divide change into multiply. So 18 by minus 22 change into minus 22 by 18. Now cancel it. 11 to the 28 and 6 3 is equal to minus into minus plus. So 2 by 3. Students, understand and write it. Students, now I shall solve exercise 1E. Some questions are written here. Question number 2. Verify a statement is true or false. A statement left hand side equal to 13 by 5 divided by 26 by 10 equal to 13 by 5 divide change into multiply. So 26 by 10 change into 10 by 26. Now 5 to the 10 and 13 to the 26. 2 to 2 cancel equal to 1. Left hand side is 1. Right hand side equal to 26 by 10 divided by 13 by 5 equal to 26 by 10 divide change into multiply. So 13 by 5 change into 5 by 30. 13 to the 6 and 5 to the 10. 2 2 cancel equal to 1. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Verified. It is true. Next question is the product of two rational numbers is minus 16 by 9. If one of the number is minus 4 by 3, find the other. Write the required number. The required number दोनों का प्रोडक्ट माइनस 16 बाई 9 और उसमें से वन नंबर माइनस 4 बाई 3 तो अदर नंबर दोनों के प्रोडक्ट में वन नंबर को डिवाइड कर देना है. सो माइनस 16 बाई 9 डिवाइडेड बाई माइनस 4 बाई 3. दो नंबर का प्रोडक्ट दिया हुआ सपोज x, उसमें से एक नंबर y है तो अदर नंबर क्या होगा x डिवाइडेड बाई y. सो माइनस 16 बाई 9 divided by minus 4 by 3. Minus 16 by 9 divide change into multiply. So minus 3 by 4. 4 4 are 16. 3 3 are 9. Now minus into minus plus. So 4 into 1 4 and 3 into 1 3. 4 by 3 will be the answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 8. In this question, by what number should minus 33 by 8 be divided to get minus 11 by 2? That means minus 33 by 8 में क्या डिवाइड किया जाए कि minus 11 by 2 आ जाए. So let the required number be x. So according to question, minus 33 by 8 divided by x. Minus 33 by 8 divided by x, result is minus 11 by 2. Solve it. Minus 33 by 8, x by transposition change into multiply. Sorry, divide x by transposition change into multiply. A minus 11 by 2 by change into divide also. So minus 11 by 2 equal to x. Next step is x equal to minus 33 by 8 divide change into multiply. So minus 11 by 2 change into minus 2 by 11. 11 3 ja and 2 4 ja. Minus into minus plus. 3 into 1 3 and 4 into 1 4. So 3 by 4 will be the answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, Next question is question number 10. Today it is last question. In this question, divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 by their difference. It is important question. डायरेक्ट सोल्व एक मेथड है कि दोनों को ऐड करके अब बाद में फिर दोनों को डिवाइड सब्ट्रैक्ट करके फिर डिवाइड करना, इसे डायरेक्ट भी कर देते हैं. Therefore, the required number equal to divide the sum of 65 by 12 plus 8 by 3. Divide their difference. So 65 by 12 minus 8 by 3. Solve it. LCM of 12 and 3 is 12. 12 1 जा 12, तो 65 1 जा 65. 3 4 जा 12 plus 8 4 जा 32. Divided by LCM है 12 and 65 1 जा 65 minus 3 4 जा 12 8 4 जा 32. Next step is 65 plus 32. 5 plus 2 7 and 6 plus 3 9. 97 by 12 divided by 65 minus 32. 5 minus 2 3 and 6 minus 3 3 by 12 equal to, now change its multiply 97 by 12 into divide change into multiply, so 33 by 12 change into 12 by 33. 12 to 12 cancel equal to 97 by 33 will be answer of this question. So understand and write it. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 1E. Thank you. That's all.